Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Tactical Blake. Come back at you guys with another video today. Today we're going to be reviewing some sort of a semi-auto rifle. I don't know if you guys know this name of the airsoft rifle. Comment down below, because I do not know what it is, because the name of it wore off, of course. I had it so long. I'm just going to tell you guys what I know about it. Excuse me. So, let's get right into that. Just on this side, there's that little button type thing right there. Put that in. That right there. There's a mag that comes out. It is a BB, of course, airsoft. So, I don't know why mine doesn't. I don't know if it's because it's really old or something broke in it. You can load a full clip, but mine didn't necessarily work. So I'll have to do single BBs in there. So I'll show you guys how to load it real fast. Guys, 1 second. So all it takes is a basic green BBs. Let me show you guys how to load this real quick. Simple BB. Okay. Take a clip, put it in any way, insert the BB any way you want. There's that. You just want to kind of jam it in there hard enough that where the BB won't come out and run down your barrel, because that does happen at times. So, and after that, there's this thing to load it, to shoot. There's this thing right here. Pull back, push it back down where it belongs. And of course, you shoot it, and that's how it is right there. And there's a sight. Alright, now we're going from that. You guys know how to shoot it, of course. There is sights right here. I don't know if you can see that. This thing right here. Just flick it up. Of course, you can look down it. Look down the sights. You guys can see that thing right there. I don't know if I can see it, but it would be a little. Only that little thing right here. You can only see it with this. You can only see this thing right there. So that's basically what you want to look down to get a perfect sighting on it. Yeah, and it looks small right now. If it's too small for you, there's this thing right there that you click down and move it back, and it extends to make the gun even bigger and rest easy on your shoulder. So if you want to move it back up, just click it down, simple push, and that's it. I'm not really sure what the oh yeah, let's get to this. It does say, of course, I don't know if you guys can see it, semi safe. We put it on safe. There's that. And of course, yeah, that's it. I did not have it on safe. I actually had it on auto. So there's auto, of course, but I just had it on safe, and it says semi, but you cannot get it up to semi. It's only auto and safe. So, and of course, send it out if you want it. Orange tip. You can also tape that. It's really good for airsoft wars. My buddy, gave this to my buddy to use. He said he did really good with it. Shoots far distance. I'm not sure what this little thing is. That thing right there. So, yeah, like I said, I haven't really I've just been shooting it lately. I haven't don't really know much about it because I just brought it out of my room to do a review on. So there's that airsoft rifle. Sorry, I do not know what it's called, and there's not really that much detail I really know about it. And after this review, I'll be doing a review, like I said. Remember that Walther P22 video? I mentioned that I'll be getting a Walther P99 in pretty soon. I do have that in right now, so we will be doing a review on that P99 after this. Sorry, my bad. Whatever it is. PPQ, not P99. I don't know why I got P99 on my mind. Because my buddy Tyler has that. So anyways, until always, it's been Tactical Blake. Thank you.